Welcome back, guys. So we said we'd be taking you to brunch today. But what exactly is brunch? How did it get started? In case you're confused, we've got you covered. Let's take a look.
So what is brunch? Well, it's a late morning meal combining breakfast and lunch typically served between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Believe it or not, brunch wasn't always the hashtags and tickets affair it is today. The word brunch was first penned all the way back in 1895 by a clever Brit named Guy Beringer, who woke up one Sunday and said, well, why choose between breakfast and lunch? Let's have both. By the 1930s, it had left the posh suites of England and landed on the tables of Americans. That's where it took on a more glamorous air, often associated with Hollywood stars, five-star hotels, and signature cocktails like mimosas and Bloody Marys. By the 90s, we were brunching, not just exclusively on a Sunday, but Saturdays too. Fast forward through the decades, and brunch has evolved from being a reason to take it easy and rehash the previous nights with friends to a show of belonging and a great excuse to get all dolled up. It has also branched off into breakfast parties and the like. So it's fair to say brunch has always been a social sport, and it has taken on different forms. Now, Instagram grids are curated long before plates hit the table. The outfits and hairstyles, they're way more important than anything you'll eat. And somehow, no one ever brunches alone. But it isn't all pomp and no fun. It's still a great way to spend time with those you love. So, whether you choose to lounge at a hotel for this affair or host a brunch link-up at home, know that a little brunch is for everyone. And it didn't just happen, it evolved. From the mind of a Londoner to the weekend plans of many, it's history you can eat.
Ah, lovely stuff there about the brunch. Well, guys, as was said, style is a big part of the brunch experience. So joining us right now is Carrie Coote, we should say Carrie K's, okay, boutique. She's here with all of her good stuff, sharing tips on what to wear to brunch this year while staying true to your authentic look. And I love that part. Welcome, Carrie. Good to see you, honey.
Much. Same here.
Happy New Year. I love that part about authentic style, right? Mm-hmm. Because we tend to want to look at what's in trend and what's hot, but it's not necessarily the thing that we like enjoy, wearing, right? Mm-hmm. So when we talk about the authentic style, break it down for us, please, as a designer extraordinaire.
Give thanks. So your authentic style is what you are happy in, what you feel comfortable in. So you wear, for example, you like a nice straight pants. So you wear your straight pants and then you accentuate it with something, whether that be a jacket or, for example, this we call our double hole, and you'll see why it is, and a nice little belt. So it is just stay true to your personality. Your authentic style comes out in personality, and confidence.
But
and
what of those brunches? This is sometimes roots, right?
Sometimes your roots, right? Your culture.
Right. But what of those brunches, though, Carrie, that are very specific about things to wear? Like they say, boy, it's an all-white brunch, and I'm going to have to find something that is all-white. Can I find my style in that kind of specification?
You can. And again, remember, your style depends on also texture and lines. Like, if I design at Carrie K's boutique straight lines. So that's a way to just make sure, if it's white, red, green, or gold, your lines are very important, and texture. And again, I'm emphasizing is how you feel. Your comfort brings out your personality. The boldness, whether you're bold or whether you're just subtle. Yeah. Bold, as you can see, color animal prints and bright colors. And then if you are less bold, then nude colors, more calming shades and stuff.
Love that. Well, she brought a lady to show us what, that looks like, a lady with a lot of charm. Tell us about this piece, Carrie?
So this is our bamboo double. It's actually a double piece. So it's a two-piece. She's wearing a loose pants and or a beautiful wide sleeve. So for our climate, you know, this is very cooling. The bamboo is natural fiber. So again, you know, I'm into health, so that's going to take care of your health and the boldness of the
Color,
orange and her black and white hat brings out her personality or her authentic trend in fashion.
Yeah, and let's talk about, you know, finding a design that looks great but also suits your body type.
Well, of course, you have to make sure, and we design for that.
Yeah.
So suiting the body type, if you are smaller up top, you definitely need to, you know, some people are small and broad down the bottom.
Yes,
So you with something close fitting and then an A-line. That's very classic. If you're heavy on the top, you can, and I'm going to show you what you can do if you're heavy on the top. I'm not getting naked now.
No, don't worry, guys. She's fine.
And I'm going to throw the belt down a little.
Okay.
It's okay, right? So if you're heavy on the top, I love that. So you wear either a straight pants or a pencil skirt, and then this is our double hole, right? So you can do something like a, I'm turning this.
Carrie, so hold on there. You just push your head through the arm of the top,
and you get a different style. So what you're seeing now here
is a whole different style,
a whole different outfit. And now the eyes, because of the asymmetric, the eyes looking that way. So your plumpiness is not going to be the first thing the eye sees. It's going to see the line that goes down.
Okay. Wow, this is lovely.
Of course.
It's very interesting though, because you don't oftentimes find pieces that are so multifunctional, right?
God. And you can do this.
Oh,
Look
wow.
At that.
Oh, wow. Love that.
And
love
also,
that.
if you wear it like I had it on earlier to work, you know, you wear that to work as a jacket, then you can take off and you have another jacket here.
Carrie, go on, man. With a little hoodie kind of thing at the back there?
Sure, girl.
Stop it, Carrie.
Look at this, look at
Oh,
this.
that is gorgeous. Oh, that is
Look at
lovely.
that. And for people who say, oh, I have to wear a sleeve, then you know, instead of doing this and there's no sleeve, then you can do that and you get your sleeve.
Okay, awesome.
Right.
That's so amazing. I love that. And it's suited as well. You know, daytime brunch is you're going to go outside and you may have to, you know, be out there in the heat. So it works perfectly.
All
right. So we have our model back with us. Tell us about this piece. It's very similar to what you have on there, Carrie.
Yeah, so this is from our bold animal print. You know, animal print states boldness. So she's wearing this so boldly. And this is actually, it's a sheer fabric, and she has her lining underneath it. It's a full dress lining. And again, we create stuff for asymmetrics, make you look so much more sexy. Even though it's loose, it doesn't have to be always, body
onto the body.
Right? It doesn't have to be body contour to always be sexy. I think women flow nicer in a layered or asymmetric open dress, and it's just I know it's just the flow of the outfit that makes us black women look amazing and attractive.
Yeah, very
that's
good.
Our
very solid point.
That's what's called our one sleeve, or we call it sometimes our freestyle dress.
And I love the pairing of that hat with it. I think it works so well. The colors complement each other so well. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Well, hey, darling, I have to ask you about, you know, persons who may not know of their personal style quickly before we wrap up, right? So for the persons out there watching right now, unsure about what is a personal style, what would you tell them? Where can they start in identifying that?
Okay, so what I would say to them again, grab something in your closet that you love, or think about something that you love.
Okay.
And for that one piece that you love, you take it and then you can pair it with something else. It's an accent piece. What you love is your accent piece, and then you're going to put on, in food would say you put the gravy on. You understand? So that makes you more...
Clock it, girl. Clock it. Yeah.
Oh my God.
She doesn't look up and put on her hand. That is how solid the point is.
You understand?
Okay. Yeah.
So that makes you feel more like you, because there's something of you there, your authentic style is already there, and then you're just flaring something. I don't believe in trend when it comes to fashion. I believe in clean, straight lines. They are timeless.
Love that, girl. Listen, lovely stuff. Where can they find you quickly as we wrap up?
We are at Lane Plaza, shop number 1, and we are Carrie K's Boutique right beside Living Food and Juices, and we are on Instagram at Carrie K's Boutique.
Okay, there you have it. Thank you so much for
Thank
coming
you
through.
for
Thank you to
having
the
us.
model. She's so gorgeous. That was Carrie Coote of Carrie K's Boutique, keeping us cute and fly for brunch, right? Stick around, guys. We've got more on Weekend Smile right after this break.